Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Compania General de Tabacos de Filipinas vs. City of Manila, GR No. L-16619. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on June 29, 1963. Let's dive right into it. Facts. Tabacalera, as a duly licensed first-class wholesale and retail liquor dealer, paid the city the fixed license fees prescribed by Ordinance 3358 for the years 1954 to 1957, inclusive. In 1954, City Ordinance 3634, imposing a sales tax on the sale of liquor, was enacted. In 1955, City Ordinance 3301, increasing the rates of the sales tax, was passed. And in 1957, City Ordinance 3816, further increasing the rates of the sales tax, was enacted. Tabacalera argued that it was being subjected to double taxation, as it was already paying a license fee for the privilege of selling liquor, and the sales taxes were essentially another form of taxation on the same activity. The city, on the other hand, argued that the license fee and the sales tax were different taxes, and that Tabacalera was not being subjected to double taxation. Issue: whether the Tabacalera was being subjected to double taxation by paying license fee and sales tax. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that Tabacalera is liable to pay both the license fees and the taxes. The court reasoned that the license fees under Ordinance No. 3358 are a form of regulatory taxation, while the taxes under Ordinance No. 3634 are a form of revenue taxation. The court held that double taxation is not prohibited if the two taxes are imposed for different purposes. In this case, the license fees under Ordinance No. 3358 are imposed to regulate the sale of liquor, while the taxes under Ordinance No. 3634 are imposed to raise revenue for the city. Therefore, the two taxes are not imposed for the same purpose and double taxation does not occur. Significance. This case is significant because it clarifies the distinction between regulatory taxation and revenue taxation. The court held that double taxation is not prohibited if the two taxes are imposed for different purposes. This case is still relevant today, as the principles it established are still applied in determining whether or not double taxation has occurred. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.